Little internal video here showing that interrupt-driven netcat works as expected. So, I'm going to load netcat from my server here. And this is essentially using the SRQ line as it's intended to be used as an interrupt line here. And as you'll be able to see, it made a hell of a lot of difference. Go ahead and boot netcat. And we'll do a little telnet here to a Petsky BBS. And go. Give it a few moments here. And yeah, there we go, man. Yay! It's all working. And the performance is absolutely fantastic. I can tip, tap, and tap, and it just works. Oh, yay, messages, browser, Eliza. Okay, whatever. Gallery? Yeah. I have no idea. I was waiting for a key. Yeah. Okay, so it looks like we have some slight character issues here, but it is working. That's supposed to be a menu of some sort. I'm guessing X leaves. I don't know. Get that. What's it supposed to be? Q? I don't know. I want to leave. I don't want to keep showing. Okay. Okay. So that's, yeah. Character set switch. I have no idea. All right. Well, how do I get out of here? I have no idea how to get out of here. Run, stop. Doesn't do anything. But okay, it works. So, kind of brings me to my question. Who the hell needs the fucking user port? I don't know.